One string is given, see this one, one string is given. See the problem. One string is given. In this string, you have to find out, right, longest substring. In the given string, you have to find out longest substring, not subsequence. When you say substring, right, so you have to take all adjacent people. When you say subsequence, you can take anywhere. In the given string, you have to find out a substring, right, longer substring, right, which is a larger and no repetition. See this one. I want to take total as a substring, but repetition there. But he's saying without repeating. At least can I take a half? At least can I take half? See, I think B's are repeating. At least can I take 3 letters? I think ACA possible and ABC possible, ACA possible. Is there any 4 length possible? No. So answer is 3. In the given string, can you find out a substring, longest one without repetition? Repeating characters are there. I think only one possible. In the given string, can you find out a longest substring where characters are not repeating? Total, if I take W repeating many times, at least can I take a half? Check. I think here W repeating, here nothing repeating. I think 3 length, I think W, K, E also, I think 3 is the best. So in the given string, right, you have to write the program to find out longest substring where characters are not repeating. This is the challenge to you, right? Please try, please keep trying. But before going to give the answer, my sincere request, if you like this video and if you like this series, please like and subscribe and comment also which part you liked, so that it will become a encouragement to us. We will do some more, right, some more series like DSA 30-day challenge we done. We will keep some other, and if you have any other idea, you please write. We will try to do if it is possible, right? My sincere request is please like and share the video, like, comment and share whatever is possible, so that you will also get advantage, so that you will see all the notifications, you will also get advantage. Thanks everyone, right? Let's move quickly to this problem. So in the given string, you have to find out a substring, right, which is of maximum length and no repetition of characters. So as I explained to you in the last class, this is the string. So maximum substring, right, maximum length of the substring, right, where no repetition is there. Where no repetition is there, I think the A, B, C. There may be so many, so this is the one of the thing. Now here, I think all are repeating 1. Here, if you see WKE or maybe KEW, there may be many. So longest substring where no repetition of characters is 3. So to explain this one, so I took already one more example. So this problem is, I think we can solve it using 2 pointers. At the end of the story, if you want, you can check it, 2 pointers or not. People used to say it is a 2 pointers technique, right? So I'm starting now. And to solve this problem, I'm using, depending upon the programming language, every programming language having some positives, some negatives, right? So now you can take, right, what is suitable to solve this problem. First, you have idea, accordingly you can plan. I tried this problem, so I got to know this problem to solve. One data structure you have to take. In Python, it is called dictionary. In C++, it is called maps. In C language, I think you can do from scratch, right? So by taking one array, you can manage it. Let me explain one thing so that you can map whatever programming language you are comfortable, right? So in the case of Python language, there is a one data structure called dictionary. I'm using dictionary. So whatever you seen, you have to store here. Let us assume that this dictionary name is seen. Whatever I will see, I will store inside. Dictionary normally contain 2 parts, key and value. Dictionary normally contain key and value kind of, right? Pair. Dictionary will store pairs, right? In the C++ language, map also will do same. It will store the pair. So how it is going to be happened, you will see now. So initially, L and R both are pointing to same place, 0th person. Initially, L and R, two pointers, as I mentioned to you, 2 pointers, I took 2 pointers. L and R both pointing to same place. Right? Whenever new character will come, whenever no repetition, new character, R will be keep on increase. R will be keep on increase. Remember, there is a compromise between L and R. R is saying that if new people will come, I will improve. I will keep on increase. L is saying that whenever repetition came, right, I will increase. Repetition came means L will increase. Repetition not there means R will increase. Right? Try to understand this. But one more important thing is R will increase every time because R is the one moving in the forward direction. R is saying that if at all repetition is not there, R is saying that I will keep on increase. L, you no need to increase. L is saying that when repetition comes, I will increase. Anyhow, R also will increase because R is there in the part of the loop. Now, again, I am asking you, who is there in the forward direction? R is there. Who will see the last character? R. So, termination condition also on the R only. Whenever R crosses the limit, you can stop it. Yeah, but I'm repeating again and again. L will increase whenever repetition is there. R will increase every time. R is there in the forward direction. Let's start. We will talk everything in this problem with respect to R only. So L and R initially 0 index. Now R is asking. R is asking wherever R is pointing, right? I am asking that person A. So is A is seen or not? No, A is not seen. What is the meaning? New person. A is not seen, is a new person. Then what you have to do is mark in the scene. At which index? 0. And one more thing is I want to ask, longest one you want? Longest. Longest is equal to, as of now, what is the longest one? As of now, longest is 1 because only one character till now. Right? So whenever new person will come, longest will update. Whenever new person will come, longest will update. As of now, longest is 1. And one more thing, you have to note it down also. This new person A came at which index? 0. Then as usual, R will increment. L will not increment. Again R asking, are you new person? Yes, he is the new person. Then right, longest is equal to, can you help L to R? How many people are there? This is the meaning of substring. Substring means a continuous people. L to R, how many people are there? So let's see this one. L to R, existing maximum is 1. L to R, how many people? There is a one formula. Continuously, some people are there. To find out the number of people from the left to right, how many? Right minus left plus 1 you do. Right is, I think, 1. Left is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1 plus 1, 2. So 1 and 2 better. So maximum becomes 2. Right? And not only that, whoever is a new person is came, you have to mark his index, right, in the dictionary. One place new person is came. Now R will increment again by 1. Right? Again R will ask, are you new person? Yes. If new person, guarantee, right? Guarantee longest will change. Then what is the R value to? 2 minus 0 plus 1, I think 3. It will increase. Then you have to mark him also. C came. C is the new person, came at 2. Right? So fine. As usual, R will increase. Again, what is the answer? It became 4. Same formula apply. Right? So previous one is what? 3. 3 and this new person compare. So I think 4 is best. So change the longest to 4. New person you have to mark also. D is going to be third place. I am not doing anything. Every time R is incrementing. Till now, L is not incrementing because no repetition. If repetition come, L will increment. If repetition will come, L will increment. Please careful. Repetition not there, R will increment, and longest also will update because every time new coming. That is the reason. So R is here. Now see the beauty. Everyone observe. Now see the beauty. So R is there at the 4th place. The 4th place person whoever came. So that person I am asking, are you new person? He said, no, I am not new because he is there in the scene array. See. A is already there in the scene. Yes, is there. So because of is not a new one, because of is not a new one, longest will not update. Longest will not update. Now see what happened. Whenever you seen the old one, whenever you seen the old one, so see the interesting answer. See the interesting answer is the old one. This old one, right? This old one, there at which place? He is already there in the scene, so is the old one. At which index previously is there? I think at index 0. At index 0. So remember, index 0. Index 0. Because of one more person came, this person, this previous one, you have to neglect. Then what happened is, wherever A index is there previously 0, from right after that you have to start. L will increment, right? So wherever previous index of 0, wherever previous index of 0, so next place onwards you have to start. So A will be here, means L will be here, but one thing, right? The new A whichever came, you have to update also. Always scene array contain the people whom I seen till now and their corresponding index. Some people are asking, sir, L is moved to next place. What is the reason? It is no more part of our answer. That A you can ignore. So this A you are ignoring, new A you are taking. New A index is 4. If anyone is not getting this one, let us assume that till now you are okay. Till now you are okay. Let us assume, right? Same story will repeat many times. Same story will repeat many times. Remember, repetition comes, L will increment. Repetition comes, L will increment because right. So that character we don't want to take. Old character we don't want to take, new character we want to take. Some people are asking, sir, old character, how can you neglect? Old character, whatever answer possible, already there in the longest. I am not neglecting also, right? So old one already there in the longest, new one I have to keep on calculate. Let us assume that you are comfortable. Let's move further. Remember everyone, whenever new one will come, R will increment. Whenever old one will come, L will increment. But one thing I want to say to R will increment every time because is there in the forward direction. Now after completion of L, again R will increment. Now see what happened. Let us assume you are comfortable, R is here. Are you new one? Yes. Are you new one? Yes. Then what happened is, because of is the new one, existing is 4. Existing is 4. Because of is a new one, existing is 4, 4 comma. Then left minus right, how many people are there? Calculate. So 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1, 4 plus 1. 5 minus 1 plus 1, how many? 5. I think B, C, D, E, A, E. Right? B, C, D, I think it's 5. It will update. It will update and you have to mark also. E index is 5. Right? Whenever again repetition will come, that time you can ask me, guarantee I will take care. Now see the next one. R will move here. Is it new person? Yes. So I think who is that person? F. Index is 6. It will also update. It will also update. Same formula you will apply. Previous one is 5. This became 6. So 6 is the better. Now again R will increment. Is it new person? Yes. What is the index? 7. That is also okay. Next one is R is here. Is it new person? Yes. So it is 8. Index is 8. So I right length also keep on increasing. Length also keep on increasing. Can you see until here? So I think 8 minus 1 is 7 plus 1. 8 is there. It's keep on update. Right? Next one. R is here. Now see the answer. Now see the answer. R is here. R is asking, are you new person? Is not new person. Is the old one. Now some people are having small doubt. Sir, whenever is the old one, L will increment. Whenever is the old one, L will increment. But how L will increment, sir? How much L will increment, sir? Very simple. Very simple. E is the old one. E is the old one means, I think previous, let's see one. E is the old one. This is the new E. Previous one is old E. Means whenever you want to say repetition is not allowed, right? This E you have to take, old E you have to neglect. What is the old E index? 5. Old E index is 5. So L should goes to 5 plus 1, 6. Here L will goes to here because you have to skip this E. So L is here. You may say that, sir, why are you neglecting this E? With this answer, whatever possible, we are already have. What I mean to say is whenever repetition comes, old one neglect. Old one is which place, how I know? Dictionary will give. Dictionary will say this one. E there at the fifth index. Old E there at the fifth index. So sixth place onwards here will start. Because two E's I cannot take. Old E, whatever answer possible, I already have. New E I have to take. Old E I have to neglect. But how I know old E is at which place? Dictionary will give. E there at the fifth place. So sixth place onwards L will start. Sixth place onwards L will start. Other than this, nothing. This is the key in this. The reason why I am storing index also, the reason is whenever repetition came, old one I can skip it. Now one more thing you have to remember this new E you have to mark is a index. So L is updated as usual. R will increase. R will go to next. Right? R will goes to next. Right? R will goes to next. I think it is I. Right? So I also will store. At which place? 11th place. So I think 9. I think 10th place. 10th place. Accordingly, this calculation also will be done. Accordingly, this calculation. What is the calculation? Let me check. If anyone don't know as of now, what is the longest? Let us in the longest as of now 8. Now check. Now calculate. L to R how many? R is 10. L is 6. So 10 minus 6, 4 plus 1, 5. But 8 is better, don't take. 8 is better, don't take. If it is a new one, I will take. Otherwise, I don't take. Next one. R will go next. Is it new one? Yes. Index 11. Right? Index 11. Next one. 11 minus 6. 5 plus 1, 6. So there is no use. R. Remember everything you have to mark. J over. Next one K now. K also mark 12. Is it new one? Yes. Mark it and see the how many people are there from L to R. 12 minus 6 plus 1. 7 people. 8 is better. No need to update. Next one R will go further. 13. So L is become 13. New person, mark it. 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Already 8 there. You don't need to bother. So R will goes to next. Right? I think M becomes 14. Right? Is a new one, mark it. New one, mark it. Next one. So L to R, how many people are there? 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6. 8 plus 1, 9. So 9 update. More coming update. Next one. R will go further. So I think what is the answer? N. It became 15. It became 15. So if it is not there, yeah, as usual. So find out what is the answer? It became 10. It became 10. Right? R will go further. Now, is it repeated? Now see this one. Is it repeated? Yes. But remember, it's repeated okay. Very interesting one. It is repeated okay. This N is repeated. It's okay. So old N you have to neglect. Old N you have to neglect how? Old N is there at which place? 15. So L will goes to 16. L came here. Because old N you have to neglect. Where is the old N? How you know? So index of every character I already have in the scene. So I think IJ, if I want to say this algorithm very easily, small coming, see this one, repetition, repeat, then L will increase. L will increase as usual. R also will increase every time. No need to bother. Next one, no repetition. No repetition. Only R will increase. Only R will increase, and you have to mark also. You have to mark also. So one scan only you done from the left to right. Some people are asking, sir, I will continue. Whenever this array size is over, whenever this list size is over, other than this, nothing. Whenever this list size is over. So please careful. This is the only thing. So see the program for this. See the program. See the program. See this one. It is the main program. It is started from main. This is the right. This is one string. I took one string. 0th index, first index, second index, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one. Right? 0 to 7. Now, so I passed this string. As soon as I passed this string is came, scene array is initially empty. Left is initially 0. Length also initially 0. So R is in the range of length of S. So I think how many people? 0 to 7 means 8 people. Length of S, 8. So range of 8 means 0 to 7, it will repeat. R is initially 0. R is next 1. R is next 2. Means what I want to say, R will always increase. R means right. R will always increase, but L will increase whenever repetition happens. Now see what happened. R is from 0 to 7. Take the 0th person. R is now 0. So S of 0, store in char. Now character, first character, I have 0th character. Now check that character is there in the scene array or not. That character is there in the scene array or not. Yes, suppose it is not there. Initially not there. Right? That character, whatever you got, first character, is there in the scene array. In the scene array, initially nothing. Not there. Not there. What should I do? Who is the 0th person? A. He is not there. So what should I do? Come to the else part. Max is equal to existing length 0. Right? Left and right both are now zeros. Plus 1, 1. So left, right, 0 and 1, 1 better. So length is equal to 1 better. And mark also. Scene of that character. Means first character A. Scene of A is equal to R. R means wherever R is pointing to 0. Right? A new index is 0. Now once again, for loop is right, for loop is going on. 0 over, let's go for 1. So S of 1 is B. Right? Is B there in the scene array? No. Then I think as usual it will be right. This will taken care. Afterwards, B also marked 1. Right? Right? I think this is completed. This is complete. Next C. Is it there in the widgeted array? Means scene array? No, it is not there. So I think as usual, right? So C becomes 2. Next one. Now observe. A is coming. Everyone listen. A is coming. Is A there in the scene array? Yes. A is there. And one more thing is it there in our right in our required frame? Frame means whatever. Listen, if any character is repeating, it should be there within our window. Our window means what? Left to right. As of now, where is left? Where is right? Let me check this one. Left is as of now. Left is 0. Left is not incremented one time also 0. What about right now? Right is going to be, I think, 3. Right is going to be, I think, 3. Now see, whoever is a new person is coming. New person coming is A. A is there in the scene array. Yes, it is there. And one more thing, is it there within our limits? It is there, okay. It is there, okay. The new person A, whichever is coming, that new person A, whichever is coming, right? Is he already there? Yes. I think A is once again coming. Yes, already there. Already visited. See, it is there in the scene array means is already visited. But is he there within the limits? Our limits are these. Is it there? So let me see this one. Scene of A. What is the scene of A? 0. If 0 is greater than or equal to 0, yes, it is there in the limits. See, not only staying, not only visited, it should be there in our current frame. Yes, it is there in the current frame. But there is a new person came. Old person is already there in the current frame. New person also there. So in the current frame, whoever is there, that one we have to neglect because a new A is came. So then what you do is L will goes to previously, right? Previously, where is the A? 0. Previously A is 0. Now L will goes to scene of 0 plus 1. You will go to next place onwards. L will goes to here. L is here. 1 onwards. This will be neglected. Using dictionary, I got to know where this character there previously. So next place onwards, I will start because previous one I have to neglect. Previous one I have to neglect. This indication that is it there in the frame. See, if it is already visited, it is there somewhere else. What is the use? Current frame is this. Current frame is this. But right, there is a one person here who, right, there is a one new person came. There is a one new person came. Here, A is there. Is A is repeated in some other frame. I don't want to take new, right? In the current frame only it should be there. It is a current frame. It is a current frame. Current frame means what? L to R. In this area, A is there. One more new A is there. I want to take this new A. I want to leave old A. If you want to leave old A is there in the 5th place. So 6th place onwards, L will start. That's how it is going to be happen. L is equal to scene of char means previously at what index it came plus 1. Next place onwards, L will start. Right now currently, can you see this one? A is coming. A is already there at the 0th index. A is already there at the 0th index. Previous A is there at the 0th index. That is there in our limits also. Then this condition true. Then L is equal to Cna of char. Cna of A means 0 plus 1. L will goes to first onwards. Now L became first. L became first. After this, anyhow, as usual, R will increment. Anyhow, R will increment. Now see, R is C. Remember, R is now here, 4th place. L is 1st place, R is 4th place. Now see the answer. This C I am asking. Is he there already? Yes. He is already there. And one more. Is he there in the limits also? Is he there in the limits also? What is his position 2? What is his position 2? Is 2e greater than or equal to L means he is there in its limits. Yes, it is true. Then L is equal to sin of char. Sin of C, I think it is going to be 2 plus 1. I think 3 onwards it will start. Here onwards it will start. L will be here. L will be shifted. L will be shifted from here. R is here. As usual, R will increment. So like that, it is keep on going. It is a keep on going. Finally, you will get the best answer. Finally, you will get the best answer. The highlight of this entire story. The highlight of this entire story is whenever you find out the new, right? Whenever you find out A, which is already came, you have to neglect the old one. How I know old one is there at which index? Right? Indexes also I am storing in the scene array. So if at all previous A is happened 5th place, because of new person is came, 5th person you have to escape. What answer? 6th place onwards L will continue. 6th place onwards L will continue. You keep on doing like this. So here 2 pointers I am using L and R. L will increment. L will go to previously wherever this character came, next place onwards. Whenever repetition there, L will increment. Every time R will increment. It is a 2-pointer concept. It is going to be one scan, which is order of n time. So this, right, some people are asking, maybe some people will get doubt, saying that, sir, what is the use of this? What is the use? Remember, not only seen, not only old person, he should be there in our limits. Suppose some old person came, some old person there, he is out of the box, out of the window. What is the use of that person? So he should be there in the current window. Right? That is the purpose this particular line is there. So let's see one important thing. So this is the current window. It is the L, it is the L, it is the R. Now one more new person I read. Careful. One more new person. R will go here. This is the current window. This is the current window. New person whoever came is A. This A is already repeated, already there in the scene array, but it is there here. There is no use because that part is already gone. That part is already gone. So it should be there in the current window. Current window means L to R area, it should be there. L to R area, it should be there, including L and R. So that is the purpose of this. I hope everyone got it. So order of n time, I think I am not taken any space extra. I think this scene array, this scene one, how many distinct characters are there? One dictionary you are taking. How many distinct characters are there? One dictionary you are taking. So which may be approximately, I can say negligible, right? If you say how many distinct characters, accordingly I can calculate also. One dictionary I am taken, more than that nothing. One scan is a very good algorithm, please take care. Small doubt also there, please comment in the comment section. Please comment in the comment section. So this is a Python program, so I written the Python syntax accordingly. Here the dictionary name is scene. Scene is a dictionary in the Python. Right? If you want, you can write the map, some name, map m. You can use the map in the C++ language. In C language, you have, right? This is the idea. You implement whatever way you want.